Hello everyone, my name is Raluca Gomes. I'm the founder of Impact2C, a company that is here to support other companies to make more profit and to be more performant. In the last 6 weeks, we started a daily crisis question, a question that is supporting every single one of you, no matter the position that you may have within a corporation, to come up with some new ideas and together win this crisis, no matter we are speaking about our personal life, our communities, or our corporation. Yesterday, we were talking about imagine where we can be in 2 months' time and how much can we achieve in the next 2 months. And the reason that we are speaking about these 2 months is because roughly here in France, we had about 2 months of lockdown. And a lot of things have happened since the lockdown. And a lot of new habits have started to implement. And because of that, we wanted to think further and thinking of how much you have been able to do or reflect on in the last 2 months, how many other new things you'll be able to provide in the next 2 months. Now that was about yesterday, and imagination is the first thing to move things forward and to achieve it. Anything that is great in life or business, starting with someone, one single person who decide that this is possible and who dare and who move forward with their actions. Now, imagination is the first step, but then we all know that most of the major corporations will lack the agility or the flexibility in moving forward from the ideas to implementation. So today's question is, how do we make sure that we start implementing our ideas? That out of that imagination, we are coming up with priorities, with things that make sense to try out. Remember, in these unprecedented times, because we don't have any benchmark, it will all be about ideas, trials, and errors. But as long as an idea is not implemented, it doesn't worth anything. And also, if we take a long time to, make sure and test that the idea is absolutely perfect, it's working perfectly on paper, and only after that we put it in practice, well, we don't necessarily have this time, because right now the crisis is happening. Right now, our clients have issues, have problems, have challenges that we may come up with solution for. If we are not thinking about a new way of doing business, who will do that? So now, of course, some of the ideas, again, like we are doing what we are calling a benchmark, we are doing a reflection of how and we can move forward, what are the ideas, and together we may come up with a lot of ideas. The main, let's say, profit of doing that is that when we come up with ideas, the whole of us together, some of us may be sounding boards for others. So in a meeting where we just generate ideas, the best things to do is to let ideas flow in without being judgmental, without saying no, this will never work, etc., just to let the creativity moving forward. Now, after we're doing this creative step, the second step, if we want to move a little bit more procedural, is to select those ideas that can become our priority. Based on risk, based on budget, based on whatever reason you may want to define as a group, nonetheless, it has to be some priorities. And of course, some of the ideas will not worth trying. I mean, that's normal. Not all the ideas are good and not all the ideas are profitable. Nonetheless, once we went to the process of selecting the priorities, there is a risk that once we are starting, we are not finishing, we are not moving to the implementation phase. So why not going further with this trial and error practice that we've been speaking about in the previous videos? And why not define a pilot? Maybe a department can try it out. Maybe a geography or a specific plant can try it out and see how it goes. The main idea is to move as fast as we can from generating a new solution and implementing new solution. Like always, we are here to be your sounding board, to be your business partner and your, let's say, brainstorming partner together to find out the most beautiful, the most appropriate, the most profitable, and the most performant solution for this new crisis. We are here every single day with you, and like always, thank you for listening and see you tomorrow.